So what we're doing, we have several different layers of approaches to customers. As a specialist SA, I'm kind of the first layer of real introduction to the technology, and so it's really diving deep with them, working backwards from them to see what their needs are. So a lot of a lot of customers might come and they say, "Oh, we heard the metaverse can
Mm,
solve all of our problems."
mm,
And so it's kind of popping that hype bubble a bit and then digging deep into what problem are they trying to solve. Sometimes they don't need what they think they might have needed, and there's a much more elegant solution or simpler solution, or they have something very complex where this technology is needed. So I help them understand what their needs are and the options that are out there. And then there are, several other approaches after that. We have internal prototyping teams,
mhm,
that if there's kind of a something new that AWS hasn't tried, or if there's a new feature that we haven't really um, spent a lot of time with, we might have a prototyping team work with a customer to kind of proof it out a bit.
mm. Nice.
um, but if there is something that, we've all seen, like work instructions, right? Augmented reality work instructions. It might not be as straightforward as we'd all like it to be to put together right now, but that's not really a unique use case anymore, right? And so that wouldn't so much be prototyping. It would probably go to what we have is our professional services.
Right.
Um, there, they can actually build for customers, but we also have a very robust partner network. And so we're constantly working and vetting new companies with new capabilities. Um, Occasionally or not occasionally, but often will help these companies kind of build out their product a little bit more so that it can help customers, um, so we can help them build solutions for customers. But that ecosystem, our partner ecosystem, is constantly evolving. But we do have some very core partners that we work with that we know we trust, and that can do things. Some will come and, kind of the big SIs will come and they can help a company if they don't have the internal resources and kind of build out, a whole solution. Or we have, let's say, for virtual collaboration spaces. We have a number of different partners that have kind of unique attributes to them. And so, depending on the use case, depending on the size of the customer, depending on exactly what they need, they might have resources that are very skilled in web development, but don't have the expertise to create the content. So, you know, there's several different ways that we can engage with the customer to help them get what it is that they need, um, out of any of those avenues.